The entertainment and music fraternity has been plunged into mourning following the sudden passing of popular DJ Arif Cooper, who passed away after collapsing during a set. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV breaking news, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Many Jamaicans across the world this morning are waking up to the sad news that popular disc jockey, music producer and radio personality from the RJR Communication Group, Arif Cooper, has passed away. Arif Cooper, who was a signature name on Fame FM, worked at that radio station for many years and cemented his name in Jamaica and around the world as a household DJ. The popular DJ is reported to have collapsed while playing at a party in the corporate area early this morning. He was taken to a medical facility where he was pronounced dead by the doctor on duty. Cooper's father, Michael, was the founder of the iconic reggae group Third World. Through his father, Arif was exposed to the music legend of Bob Marley and Stevie Wonder from a very young age, and eventually joining the music fraternity as a DJ in the early 90s. Over more than 3 decades, his career he has worked with numerous dancehall artists including the names of Vybz Kartel, Sean Paul, Tommy Chin, Jacure, Elephant Man, Baby Sham, DeMarco, Idonia, Conscience, Wayne Marshall and Christopher Martin, among many others. Arif Cooper was a musician, music producer, international DJ, CEO of Fresh Air Production AMC Music Limited, event promoter and radio broadcaster for the RJR Communication Group, Fame FM. In 1991, based on his past music exposure to the Jamaican sound system, Arif began DJing everything from house parties and local dances to club nights. Not long after, he began to perform at a number of international music festivals and major international dancehall events for the past 2 decades. He was a founding member of the Syndicate Disco in 1992, which runs from 1992 to 1997, and after leaving went on to establish himself internationally, DJing all over the world at clubs, parties and shows in New York, Miami, Los Angeles, Houston, Atlanta and even Japan. He has also held residencies at Club Mirage Jamaica and Club Soul Atlanta, and also toured with artists such as Sean Paul, Vice Mail, Alain, just to name a few. Additionally, in 1998, he joined Fame FM in the capacity of broadcaster, radio disc jockey, where he holds that position up to the time of his passing. We here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to express our heartfelt and sincere condolences to his family and friends. We'll have a subsequent report to come in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.